alright. Life is good today. Well, the plane touched down about 3 o'clock. City's still on mine. But these bombs dance in my head. I'm still in the baggage line. Concrete guard, old bridge bar. I'm not bomb living in. But the plane brought the fog, surrounded by water. I'm going back again. I got my toes in the water, ass in the sand. Not a worry in the world, cold beer in my hand. Life is good today. Life is good today. Fires and fires on the ocean. Yeah, I'm leaving here. And even one more key to a pretty senorita, I'd have no reason to stay. Fires and fires on the ocean. Yeah, I'm leaving here. Gonna lay a night, sun will be a black one. I'll get my guitar played. Drunk Friday night, summer drew to an end. And I can't believe, just believe, said you were friends. But my bartender, she's from the islands. Her body's kissed by the sun. Coconut replaces the smell of the bar that don't always turn or the rum. I got my toes in the water, ass in the sand. I don't worry in the world, that cold beer in my hand. Life is good today. Life is good today. Fires and fires come here, all the way from GA. Yeah, and all the charges they call me Big Mama when I throw the pesos away. Someone do me a favor and get me later. I'll get my guitar and play. I'll get my guitar and play. Fires and fires on the ocean. Going home now to stay. Let's see, got it, don't care when there's no dinero. I've got no money to stay. Fires and fires on the ocean. I'm going home now to stay. Think I'll just kick it back by the lake. Got my ass in the launcher, toes in the clay. Not a worry in the world, the PBR on the way. Life is good today. Life is good today. Alright, we'd like to send this one out to a good friend of ours who is recovering from melanoma. This goes out to TJ, a little son.